Welcome back to Passionate About RC. Got a new toy in today. It's the new, well, I say new, it's not new, but it's new to me. It's the Sky RC GNSS Performance Analyzer, which we've been looking into how to do the timings on the new Traxxas, and apparently this is the one to get. So we will be using this to time our 132 feet drag runs. So we have a power lead for the USB charging, and the actual module itself, which can be mounted to the car. I'm probably going to mount it inside, to be honest, just in case it flings off somewhere. Although there's a few spots on the back of this, quite good places. But I'm going to probably Velcro strap this down inside the car somewhere. So apparently it's going to take about 3 hours to charge via USB. So I'm going to plug this in now and get that charge in. Apparently while the white light is flashing, it is charging. As soon as that white light goes solid, it will fully charged and should last about 6 hours in use, and I think 2 weeks in standby mode. So we're going to wait for that to charge and fire up the app and get it all connected up, Velcro strapped into the vehicle. While I'm here, I've also got some extras to put onto this car. I thought we'd get the green performance accessory, the steering bell cranks and drag link, which apparently do fit this model. Hopefully that's right. So I'm going to get that fit at some stage. And also some spare wheels and tyres. So we've got the gloss black ones, front and rears. They look really cool. They look awesome on this. So that's the front. You've got the rear ones too. It's gloss black. They look great. And we've also got the chrome. The chrome ones look really good too. If you like a bit of bling. So these ones are like the chrome but with black centre, so they look awesome on the rears to go with the front chrome. And the original's still on the car. Pretty sick. Great looking car, this. All the decals on the windows, and at the rear, Passionate About RC sticker. One other thing. New number plates. Front and rear. Not sure, that might be a bit dark. They look cool. So I'm going to need to see if I've got any Velcro straps. I'm pretty sure I saw some in this drawer somewhere at some point. It could be anywhere now. Definitely sure I saw some. There you go. Battery straps. I think these are the battery straps that they use for the TRX4s and 6s, where you mount the smaller battery at the front in the front battery tray. So I think these will work. Just want to be able to strap that onto the. I think I'm going to strap it to the battery strap. So hopefully that will hold on nice. So yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. So there we are, fully charged. All we've got to do now is connect this onto the car somewhere inside. We've got a battery strap for that. And check out how fast the drag slash goes over 132 feet. So there you go, guys. Part number 8222 is the Velcro straps. They normally are used to fit the battery, the small battery, into the TRX4s and TRX6s in the front battery tray. They are quite a small strap and they only just fit, but it does fit. So I've Velcroed across the top of the battery strap here, and then I've Velcroed underneath the actual module, so that actually sticks onto the bar here across the top of the battery. Can move that forward or back, so you can effectively move the weight where you want it in the car if you like to. It is easier to strap this at the back here because the battery strap gets a little bit more narrow down here, otherwise this one isn't quite long enough. So as much as yes you can move that forward, the strap is not as great when you move it further here, so I'm going to probably get a longer strap at some stage, but for now that's mounted securely back there above the battery. I think that's going to do for a few speed runs. So I'll just pop this bar out so you can see what I'm saying. It's actually mounted onto the battery strap, so you got your Velcro stuck onto the top there, and your Velcro on the actual module, the other side of the Velcro, and then your strap, just a secondary strap just to make sure it doesn't fall off. And hopefully that's going to work lovely. I'm just going to, like I said before, get a slightly longer Velcro strap just so that we can move that backwards and forwards down the battery strap to move the weight if we want to further to the front, which we probably will need to. So that's it. While I've got you here, I've also mounted the Traxxas Link Telemetry Expander 2.0, which also has the GPS module installed inside there, so we can get GPS speeds delivered back to our handset while we drive. I've also installed the RPM sensor into the motor here, and the magnet and the holder. There's a few different part numbers there. That's installed, and the temperature sensor also has been installed onto the motor. So again, we get live temperature feeds back to our handset, so make sure we're not overheating the motor while we're running. Also installed the fan onto the ESC, again to keep the temperatures cool as much as possible while we're doing the high-speed drag runs. I've had to make a makeshift mount for the telemetry expander because there isn't actually a mount to fit this to this car at the moment, official. I'm going to do a bit of a better job of that at some point, but at the moment it's held on. That's good. I've also got a spare chassis, nice black one. This is like a graphite grey. I've also got the black option of this chassis, so that will tie in with all the other black plastics down at the front here and at the rear. So what I may do is make up a new mount, or just literally bolt this thing directly to the chassis. I've got to drill a few holes if I'm going to do that, so I kind of got a spare just in case it goes a bit wrong. There you go. So I braved it and I drilled my holes in my chassis and it fits great. So there it is mounted in right at the front there. Just mounted up, ready to run. So the next opportunity, bit of dry and a quiet straight. Get this out the weekend hopefully.